You should now see the same bunch of characters in your console. Your padro function is doing the exact same thing you were doing earlier, but now it's in a reusable section of its own. Use the addition operator to concatenate, which means to join something or connect something, to connect a single space, which is the empty string, to the beginning and end of our repeated character string. So let's forget yeah. Anyways, let's just explain this one. So here, the empty string and the string with the string message is concatenated with an addition operator. So the addition operator is used to join these two. And so going back to the problem, we have to concatenate an empty string to our beginning and the end of our repeated character string. So if we go to our code, where is our repeated character string? It would be the returned statement, which is the character, the usage of with an interpolated usage of a repeat method and a passed in parameter argument, rather row number. So because if we go up, we see here a character variable which has a string value of a hashtag rather, and it is interpolated with a repeat method which is used to repeat something with the row number times. Therefore, our repeated character string is this one. And so we have to concatenate the empty string with and so we have to concatenate it with an empty string at the beginning and at the ending. And to do that, we have to put here the empty string and then concatenate it with an addition operator. So we have successfully added a single space at the beginning of our repeated character string. But we don't have to forget, we cannot rather forget to add the empty string at the ending of our repeated character string. Nice.